If your body could talk, your fascia would be the keeper of all the secrets you never felt safe enough to say out loud. So, what the fuck is fascia? Before we dive into how fascia stores your emotional baggage better than your therapist's notes, let's start with the basics. What the hell even is fascia? So, first, let me ruin chicken for you. If you've ever prepared chicken for cooking and you notice that thin, translucent white film between the skin and the meat, or that silvery coating that wraps around muscles, that's fascia. But don't worry, your fascia is way sexier than raw chicken. Fascia is essentially a three-dimensional web of connective tissue that wraps around every muscle, every bone, nerve, artery, and organ in your entire body, like a full-body spider web woven into your structure. It's a continuous system, which means the fascia in your jaw is connected to the fascia in your pelvis, which is connected to the fascia in your feet. It's literally the physical embodiment of it's all connected.